bird. Chris. What? Happy bird. What? Good morning. Happy bird. What? Cry? What's that? See you, Budin. Cry? Good girl. Good girl, Chris. Again? No. What happened? You don't want to cry? What? Good girl. Chris? How are you? You wanna out? Why you laugh? No. Why do you laugh? Huh? Huh? Ariel? Ariel. Are you done? You done? What? It's not dancing. Today is weekend. What? Si Budin. Good girl. Come on, one more. One more time. Chris. Okay. Laugh. Good girl. Huh? How are you? Happy bird. Where do you learn that, Chris? You know, Chris? Chris, I want to talk to you. No, you look cute. You look cute. Huh? What? Happy bird. Cry? Budin is there. Ariel. Ariel. Huh? Why Budin always? You miss Budin? Crash. Hello. Huh? What's that? Happy bird? Ariel. Budin is here. He's not feeling well. Hmm? What? Ariel? There. Helly. Huh? Good girl. Good girl. Fresh? Hmm? Budin, do you want some? No. Hmm? Fresh? Okay, I take some for you. Do you want? No. Boleh? Can I fix it? Okay, now. Good girl. This is for you. Good girl. Huh? Are you dancing? Don't you feel tired? Huh? You know what, Chris? You've been jumping almost more than 100. You know? Hmm? Then, happy birthday. Huh? What? Why you get so excited? What? The Ariel? Huh? Happy birthday. Yes, good boy. Good girl. Happy birthday. Huh? Can you stop jumping? Stop. Press. Good. Laugh. That is funny. Huh? I know. Hey, Budin, stop it.